And one of the things that I love the most about this space is the fixture. All right guys, let me find the remote. It's right here, and let me show you how this works. All right, so the light has different colors, it has different temperatures. That's one. And the cool thing, or the thing that I love the most, is this. Aww. And it's nice to see guys, it's directly over the desk, and because the space is small, it really works in this space. Whenever I work in the office, in this office, I really enjoy this direct fan right over my head. It's so cool guys, look at it. And when it stops, it slows down and it retracts. All right, enough of this fan. But yeah, I really love this. It's a retractable fan. Really cool, really cool feature, especially in this small space.